Hey.
Come check it out.
Man, you can walk on it?
Yeah. Well, I haven't UV cured it yet, but you can walk on it. Oh, yeah, this came out amazing. Yes, sir. Yep. All in one day. Oh, I got a pair of those. I love those shoes. Yep.
This is great.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Hey, how you doing?
That's my son.
Oh, yeah. I see. You look just nice to meet you.
Get that. All those annoying scuff marks gone.
Yep, going.
Beautiful. That's
crazy. You know you did a good job when the kids say you did good. Yep. And that's all it needed, man, was a good screen and recoat. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to go ahead and do the UV cure. Okay. It's gonna take about 35, 45 minutes. Okay. And that'll be it. And then I'll call Christian, let him know. You said, will he have a way to get in tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I just need him to text me.
Okay, great.
I'll let him in.
Perfect. So I'll call Christian, let him know it's a go to move the furniture back tomorrow morning and take it from there. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy September. Is it September the 19th? Hold on, let me make sure. Yep, September the 19th on a Friday. We are out here in Kennesaw, Georgia, Cobb County. And this is the new client that actually I came out 2 weeks ago, did an in-home paid consultation, the $125 consultation, but it does come off the back end when they book with me. So this is a new client. We're gonna be doing a screen, recoat, UV cure, and the countertops. And Tavares, I sent him her early because I went to go do a consultation this morning for a wax removal in Lawrenceville. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Kennesaw, Georgia, beautiful neighborhood. I just got a call from a lady, said she had to kick a guy out of her house yesterday. And she just called me. She said, Courtney, I wish I would have did more research. But she need her floors fully sanded. So I'm about to build her a proposal so we can, and she also wants the UV cure. She said, I want the UV cure so I can get back on my floors as soon as possible. So these are the floors that we're doing, guys. The client said that these floors are done about four years ago, and they have a lot of scuff marks, a lot of scratches in the floor, micro scratches. Beautiful stain, but he is concerned about all these scuff marks and little scratches everywhere. Shout out to Christian. They came out this morning, moved the furniture for the client. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, so I'm gonna zoom in and kind of show you. See all this stuff right here? So that is probably finished wearing off. And he said, well, Courtney, their dog is not big. And see, like from here, see that? And I said, it could be a lower grade finish for the floors to be sanded 3 years and it's already looking like this. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna start this hallway. We're not going into the masters. We're gonna stop because the floors flow that way. So that's good. We're gonna be doing all of this, dining room, okay? All of this right here. Tavares got here to start doing the countertops, granite countertops. He added that as well. Got some water damage right there. All of this. So you can see, guys, this is a nice size one. And then this living room right here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Hey. Truman Hardwood, Courtney Lee, shining floors in the Acworth, GA. Screen and Recoat, UV cure on the shine, granite top sparkling, everything's fine. Ooh, ooh. Reviews don't lie, the people can see. Google and YouTube brought them straight to me. Pay the consult, trust on the line. Today those floors came out looking divine. Reviews don't lie, the people can see. Google and YouTube brought them straight to me. Pay the consult, trust on the line. Today those floors came out looking divine. From the glow of the granite to the wood so smooth. Truman Hardwood got the classy groove. Acworth, Georgia, we set the tone. When you call Courtney Lee, you know it's homegrown. From the glow of the granite to the wood so smooth. Truman Hardwood got the classy groove. Acworth, Georgia, we set the tone. When you call Courtney Lee, you know it's homegrown. Ooh. Reviews don't lie, the people can see. Google and YouTube brought them straight to me. Hey, the consultant.
My client up before we start putting the finish down. Beautiful floors, and like he said, his main concern was the surface marks and the micro scratches, but he also had wax on his floor. So I'm going to properly show him how to care the floor. The floor is probably a maid or something. Hey, Amir, just want to look around, show you how all the scuff marks and scratches are going.
Looks great.
Looks great. So that's what it is, man. Also, too, do you have a maid or a cleaning service?
Yeah.
They've been putting wax on your floors. I'm going to show you. Okay, it was clogging up our sandpaper. That played a part in it, too. So I'm going to show you what to buy. So when they clean your floors, from now on, that's the only thing you want them to use. Because, but yeah, so all the scuff marks and scratches are gone. Yep. Yes, sir. So that's what the screening does. Now, I will say over here, we couldn't get, that's a drag mark, like someone dragged something, so I think we did point that out.
That's the fridge.
That's the fridge, yes. I always tell people, be careful, because it's going to indent the floor. Those are indentions.
Got it.
So, yep, so you would have to replace those boards. But let me show you, though. Remember that line I don't know where it's at now.
Man, so good.
Yes, sir. Yep, so this is the screening. Countertops nice and polished.
Yeah.
All right, so let me show what I'm talking about. So I think Tavares must have threw them away. But when we're screening, our screen just should lightly abrade the floor. But if you look on some of these, you see all those little black dots? Yeah. And if you touch them with your finger, they kind of fall off. Yeah. That's wax. So they was putting, now they didn't have a lot on there, because if they had a lot on there, see how it's falling off? Yeah. That's wax on the floor. So maybe like, oh, here's a good one right here. See that?
Okay.
That's what it does. So what it does, wax doesn't cure like polyurethane. Polyurethane cures. So when we're screening, if there's wax on the floor, it's heating it up and it's gumming up. Okay. So that's why we had to change out so much of our screens. So with that being said, I'll show you what to give them to use on the floors so they won't put any wax on the floors. Amazing. Yes, sir.
Truman Hardwood, we step on the scene. Courtney Lee, the name, keeping wood floors clean. Recoat, UV, Pro Coat shine. Screen and recoat one day, right on time. Over 600 stars, 5-star glow. Number one on
I just got back from lunch. Everybody knows. Man, these floors came out great.
Best in the business.
Oh, that looks
you can check that
beautiful. Like I said, guys, this is the type of situation the client just noticed that the finish is taking some wear. Also, did notice in the previous video, their maids or cleaning people have been putting maybe bone or some type of polish on the floor, because that's what the polish does. It does not cure, and when it comes in contact with our machine, turning 175 RPM is actually burning, not burning, but it's heating up that wax and it's sticking. So this is why we cannot screen off wax. Trust me, I wish we could. I wish there was a system where we can screen off wax, so we didn't have to pull out all that equipment. And wax removal is a nasty job. Actually, I would do them, but it's not my cup of tea. Let's just keep it there. So anyway, guys, floors look great. All those scuff marks, surface scratches are gone. Got some nice finish on the floor. I want to call my client up. Hey guys,
Truman Hardwood, yeah, we set that star.
Want to come look at the floors?
Maintenance, refinishing, top-notch game. When they say the best, they call my name.
Also, too, guys, the countertops. We did the granite. This is granite. Wow, nice. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and start the UV curing process. That will probably take me I say about a good 30 to 40 minutes. but this is about 1,600 square feet. And then we have a job that we're going to start tomorrow. She called me today in desperate need. She's in Roswell, another company, Mesa Florida. She said, Courtney, I had to kick them out because they just stopped what they were doing. And she said she went into real research and she found me, saw my videos because she opted out. She asked about the UV cure before I even mentioned. She said, I want the UV cure because I want to get back on my floor as soon as possible. All right, guys, stay tuned.
5-star service, city to city. Wood floors safe and the shine stay pretty.
Guys, that is gonna do it. I am done. Floors came out great. Beautiful white oak floors. These are white oak, no stain, natural. A lot of people like that natural look, which I do. And for screen or recoating, natural is also easier to not say easier, but we don't have to worry about color correction because there is no color. If anything, just a seal. Also, too, I just booked 2 in-home consultations. One I'm going to do tomorrow. He's in the Brookhaven. He said he found me on YouTube. He said, man, if I can get away from sanding the floor, that would be great. He said, I love the dustless system you have. And then I booked another one for Monday morning, wax removal in Decula. So I'm going to stop by them Monday morning before I head into the city because we have a screen and recoat with UV cure on Monday. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.